Do you want to enhance your data collection? We have that perfect solution for you. But before moving on, you will need to subscribe to our channel, put your thumbs up, and not forget to enjoy our video. The plugin that you need is called Bit Integrations. You will simply need to search in this Add New bar, Bit Integrations, and this is the plugin that you will need to install. Now we're clicking Install. And now activate. And we can see it activated right here. And now let's explore what we can do with this plugin. So this is the WordPress dashboard of Bit Integrations, first of all, let's understand what Bit Integrations does, and then we will explore its features. So Bit Integrations is an all-in-one solution plugin which will help you directly integrate any type of data that you are collecting on your website. It also has some other tools such as task management, CRMs, email marketing, and many more. And now let's create an integration, and for that we will simply need to click on this, and here we can see on our dashboard that we have to select the trigger. So we have all these different plugins, and mostly form creating plugins. So let's first of all understand what trigger is. Trigger is basically the action that is going to happen. For example, if we click here on this WooCommerce, we need to select a form task name. So here we have the options, for example, order create. So whenever a new order is created, the data that was needed to be filled in will directly be integrated. And this is called our trigger. So we are choosing our trigger, which is order create, and now we are moving on. Nextly, we can see this dashboard appear on our screens where we need to select an action that we have discussed previously. So from here we are choosing MailChimp, and these integration settings will appear on our screens. From this, firstly, we will need to go to MailChimp API console, where we need to add an integration. For this, we need to register an app. So here we are registering an app, and let's just randomly fill these lines. We're choosing our website, our URI, and we are clicking on create. So here we have our client ID and client secret available. Now we are copying and pasting this on our WordPress dashboard. And this one too. And now we need to authorize. For this, we again need to log into our MailChimp account and allow it from here. And that's it from here. Now we are clicking on next, and here we can see the second part of the integration settings appear on our screens. So here we need to choose our audience list, and we need to choose our tags, which is in this case WooCommerce. Then we are filling our map fields. So basically this is what we want our from fields to turn into when integrated into our MailChimp. So here, for example, we are choosing our billing first name, and we want them appear as first name. Then we can add also some rows such as billing last name, and we want them appear as last name, and most importantly billing email, and we want it to appear as email. Also, in this actions part, we have some options to choose. I would recommend you choose double opt-in, so this will ensure that all your email and newsletter recipients agreed that they want to receive and subscribe to your channel. So this will ensure that you lack spamming. So let's choose double opt-in, and here we also have the option of conditional logics, which in this case we will not use, but you are more than welcome to use this one too. Then we are clicking next, and we are successfully integrated. Now let's move on to our next actions. Now you can see this dashboard appeared on our screens where we need to select an action that we have discussed previously. So from here we are choosing MailChimp, and here we can see our MailChimp integration settings appeared on our screens. So first of all, we will need to go to MailChimp API console, where we need to create an integration. For this we need to register an app. So here we are clicking on register an app, and let's fill in those lines. Our app website and URI, and then we are simply creating on create. And here we will need to copy our client ID and client secret to our WordPress website. And we need to authorize this. For this, we again will need to log into our MailChimp account and allow it from here. And once we are authorized, we will need to click on next. So here we have the second part of our MailChimp integration settings. And now we will need to fill our audience list and tags. So this is Ace Pro LLC, and then our tags, I'm choosing WooCommerce. You can choose many more. And here in this map fields, so this is what we want our form fields basically be integrated as into our MailChimp fields. For example, if we are choosing billing first name, we want this to appear and integrate into our MailChimp as first name. And then we can add also some rows. We can choose billing last name, and we want to appear it as a last name, and then most importantly billing email, and we want it to appear as billing as email. And now here are some actions that will be done after our order is created. You remember that we have chosen order creation, and now I always recommend choose the double opt-in action, because it will make sure that you are not spamming your email and newsletter recipients. So if they have agreed on receiving emails and newsletters from you, then it will be okay. But in any case, you might need to double opt-in. And also here you can add some conditional logics and make your integration more dynamic, but I will skip this step for today. And now we are moving next, and we are successfully integrated. After this, you are clicking finish and save, and you can see your integration appeared here. So let's now test and preview this and see how you see that and how your email recipients see that. So for this, let's place an order to see how this works. So I have bought something from our website store, and now I am proceeding to checkout. And here I need to fill in some data about myself, and most importantly, I have my email address here. So I am placing my order, and whenever our order is completed, we have the confirmation. That means that we will get an email from here. So here I need to subscribe me to this list, and then again subscribe. And now my subscription is confirmed, and I'm officially a subscriber of that particular email. So now let's see how you see through this. So for this, we are going to MailChimp, and we are going our audiences, all contacts, and here you can see my email address appear on top. So that is it. That's it for today. I hope the video was useful. And if you still have any questions concerning bit integrations, don't forget to drop them in comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.